playing any games at the Velveteen Lounge. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. We're not playing any games with today's vintage recipes, which is too bad because they're perfect for your next game night. Let's get the party started with a drink. Here's one that's guaranteed to tip the odds in your favor, the hole-in-one cocktail from 1956's Esquire drink book. To make this winning libation, all you do is combine 2 ounces of scotch, 1 ounce dry vermouth, a dash of lemon juice, and a dash of orange bitters. Shake with ice and strain into a cocktail glass. Garnish with a twist of lemon. I'm feeling lucky. If you don't want a bunch of drunks passed out around the game table, you'd better provide snacks, and Snappy Party Snacks from the leaflet Party Starter Recipes with Lipton Onion Soup Mix are great for soaking up the hooch. To make them, all you do is combine 6 cups of wheat, rice, and corn cereals, 3/4 of a cup dry roasted mixed nuts, and 1 envelope onion soup mix. Toss, then add 6 tablespoons melted butter. Toss again, place on a shallow baking pan, and bake at 300 degrees for 10 minutes. They're great even when you're not imbibing or playing games. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, and an extra special thank you to our Patreon patrons. Be sure to join us Monday for a visit from Cousin Glendora. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.